How to space out Instagram bio. To start, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your current bio. Next, tap on Edit Profile, then tap on the Bio section. Here, you can either edit your existing bio or start fresh by deleting everything. Now, to add spaces and create line breaks, you need to use the return key on your keyboard. If you're using an iPhone, tap the L123 inches button in the bottom left corner of the keyboard to reveal the return key. If you're on Android, look for the Enter or Return key, which should already be visible. Once you have the return key available, press it to create a line break. Then, type in the next part of your bio. If you want to add another space, press Return again and continue typing. Keep in mind that Instagram automatically removes extra spaces at the beginning of a new line. If you want to align text perfectly, you may need to use symbols, emojis, or invisible characters like a thin space. Once you've formatted your bio the way you like it, tap Done, or the check mark at the top of the screen. Then, go back to your profile to check how it looks. That's how to space out Instagram bio